everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Flagstar My Loans account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in flagstar.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Flagstar. You'll be able to find various options over here. If you want to log into your My Loans account, click on this option, login. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to log into your account. You'll be able to see the option for available accounts over here. What you have to do is simply select the account that you want to log into. So click on this field. Now you'll be able to find various options like online banking, my loans, credit card, private banking, etc. Simply click on this option, my loans. Now once you do that, click on this option, login, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the sign in interface. From here you'll be able to log into My Loans account. All you have to do is enter your username and password. Click on the field of username and enter your username over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your username, click on this option, forgot username, and you'll be able to recover it. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option, forget password, and you'll be able to reset it. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the login option that you can see on the screen, and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Flagstar My Loans account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.